Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Sylvia on a Nigerian YouTuber living in Onitsha. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Thanks and welcome. You are highly welcome to my channel. Okay, just go to the subscribe button and hit the subscribe button, then touch the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, you are not going to regret it. This is the channel for you. The last video when I went to Beverly Hills, I asked you guys to comment in the comment section and tell me where you would like to see next. So many people were requesting for Nkwere Ezinaka, and the rest we are requesting for the other parts of 3-3. So many people requested for so many things, and from what I checked, I think 3-3 and Nkwere Ezinaka had the highest votes. So today I decided to take you guys there. So I want you to stay glued, stay tuned, and come with me. Let me show you guys the places you requested to see. Okay, enjoy the ride, and do not forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's the Sylvia on anywhere. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Let's go to 3-3. Bye. So guys, here is 3-3 gates. Okay, but today we are going to Nkwere Ezinaka. I'm just going to show you guys the estate in Nkwere Ezinaka, and this place that there is signboard now, this is Transinkisi Gate. It is a new layout too, and that place is developing real fast. Okay, so we are just, someone requested that I post estates in Nkwere Ezinaka, and one other person told him that he would want to see how developed 3-3 road is. So I decided to kill two birds with one stone. So I decided to film the two together and post them. Okay, instead of going to 3-3 to film and maybe filming Nkwere Ezinaka again to create another vlog, I decided to do the two in one video. Okay, then guys, I want to ask you, okay, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to thumbs up. In fact, it's better to pause and thumbs up for your girl. Okay, then you continue watching than to just watch and forget to thumbs up. Honestly, your thumbs up is important. You ought to go, and do not forget to comment. Tell me if you enjoyed this one, and tell me where you would like to see next. Okay, please, if you commented about somewhere that you wanted to see and you did not see it next, just know that I am going to film that place. Okay, all you have to do is to just be with me. This is Dolly Hills Junction. If you take your right now, you will go to Dolly Hills Hotel. All you have to do is be with me. Exercise patience. One day your own video is going to pop up. I'm serious about it. Just stay with your girl. Honestly, I don't know what to say again. I don't know. Most times if I start to film, I would have so many things on my head. In fact, I would even write them down, and I'll be like, oh, whenever I decide I start this voice over. Let me stop. This is the police station at College Junction. Yeah, we are almost close to the College Junction, and after the police station, the next place is Federal Government College 3-3. Yeah, and the next junction by the left is the College Junction. This place leads to Nsugbe. If you take the left, you will go straight to Nsugbe. Back to what I was saying, guys. Every time if I decide to film a video, like my drive-by video, and if I decide, because most times I do play a song, and you know I can't use that song to post this video because I wouldn't want to get a copyright strike. Okay, then if I decide to just play any music, I will decide to just remove the sound and do a voice over. But when I decide to do that voice over, I will be so like I will plan everything. I will be prepared. Like I will be like, oh, this voiceover today, I'm going to take over. What I'm going to say there, I will even write some things down. I'll be like, hey, they go fear. I'm going to call out their names, say the places, do this. But whenever I decide to start the voiceover, morale your babe will just be low. Morale just to cool down immediately. I won't even know what to say. I'll just be looking at the phone like this. Just if I pick up the phone, baby, they tired on. When I say tired on, I mean seriously tired on. No. Like somewhere that I knew the name, I can easily forget it. I'll be like, or whatever. Like, honestly, you guys won't understand. I'm telling you, like, before I post a video, maybe I will delete like 3 voiceovers. So, is it voiceover or voice cover self? Can we na akokwa? Anyone is okay. I'll delete like 3. Yet, babe will not know what to do. So, it's like, honestly, if I remember, I will just tell you the name quickly. Because maybe he thought I was slow. Or where choy wo na this tipper now. The G speed and that's the end. Some people are just they are smoking in spirit. Anyway, back to what I was saying. In fact, this voiceover of something, if I am doing any drive-by videos, it's like I'll just be talking anyhow. Always story batam na brain. I'll just give you people the story immediately. Ezoku, to avoid any rubbish videos. But if you don't like my stories, that is why commenting is important. You just go to the comment and say, babe, I enjoyed the video, but onugi abaka or your story out of point, OP. Just tell me, I will know. Then when I make another one, I will change, okay? But your babe is here to put Onitsha in the map, and that is our main goal. That is what I'm doing, okay? So here now, we are going to Hillview Estate. I stopped to ask the vulcanizer that was pumping tire, where am I going? He said you are in Ngige Estate. And I said, okay, where is Hillview Estate? He now said it's inside here. So I don't know if it is in Ngige or Hillview, but he said it's inside here. So according to what the vulcanizer said, he said here is Hillview. So let's go to Hillview Estate. Or maybe we are in Hillview. I didn't find another person to ask questions. You know, when you are with camera, you don't easily ask somebody questions. They will be like, who is this one? And you don't ask questions anyhow. Again, no nature. You can be asking somebody question. The person will be feeling like, what does she want from me or anything? So it's better for me to just ask. So immediately I asked the vulcanizer. He said, is it vulcanizer or vulcanizer? What am I talking? Immediately I asked the man pumping tire, where is this? He said it's in Ngige. Next, he said it's Hillview. I decided to go inside, but I think this place should be Hillview because I've not heard of Ngige Estate before in Onitsha. But I do hear of Hillview Estate. So let's go with Hillview. I'm going to even write it in the title self. So this is Hillview Estate. There is nothing as sweet as finding an estate that has good roads, okay? To be honest, I enjoy good roads. There is nothing like, in fact, in Nigeria, if you can have access to security, good roads, my dear, just take that place because we know light is something that we should not even be thinking about. That one will come, maybe when thy kingdom will come. But if you find a place that has good roads and they have light at some point, just take it and enjoy your life. Go. Guys, they call this place housing. Honestly, when I said that to me when I bombo, I don't mean to brag, but I'm saying the facts. Honestly, I've been in Onitsha for how many years? Since they gave birth to me. I knew about Nkwere Ezinaka. I used to visit here. In fact, we used to take one route here before when we go to the village. It's the time that we used to take Oka Expressway to go to the village. But I can't even believe that within some years that they will have somewhere like this that just looks like maybe 33 or Beverly Hills. But here you can still see virgin lands that you can, okay, this one here is still virgin, where you can purchase and bring your investments home. I am telling you seriously, bring your investments home. There is no place like home. We lack now is security, light, and so many other things, but at least have a place at home that you call yours. Okay, so let me take you guys to other places, and I want to beg you guys something. Honestly, the major reason why I started my channel is to put Onitsha in the map. Yeah, that is the major reason. But sometimes I can be weak or sick. Normally every month a woman is sick, and I would like to beg you guys, okay, those times when I'm weak or sick, if I make like sit down videos at home, I would want you to relate with me. Okay, just try and watch it. I know most of you came to see the way Onitsha and the surroundings are looking at this point, but I'm trying to grow my channel too, and I would need your support to do that. Okay, so sometimes when I'm weak and I can't go out to film and I sit at home to film, just try watch it. Okay, it's just to support me to grow, because I need to grow. Okay, not only fuel, time, ego, honestly. So you guys need to support me. Oh? So we decided to go back home. Okay, we are now at College Junction. Here I decided to add Jara to the whole thing. I decided to go take that College Junction and go in to Fighter Junction. I stopped at Fighter Junction, but the road is now in a bad state. I don't know why. I don't know why the government did not do anything about it, but the road is not clean anymore. I remember like maybe 10 years ago when I went to Nsugbe, this place was smooth, but now it's just bad. Okay, but guys, I want to just talk about the thing that I said earlier. Please, the only way you can support me now is by watching, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting, and maybe sharing for your friends, for those who don't know that there is something like this, to also subscribe and help me grow. Okay, and most times if I can't go anywhere, you guys remember that I'm a mom too, and I have like responsibilities, and sometimes it's not that easy to get up to go and film. But that is why I started my channel, and I'm not giving up on that. But I would need you guys to understand that most times I can't do that. Okay, maybe I'm sick, or maybe my baby is sick, and if I film like sit down videos, I will really need your support. I just need to know that you have my back, like you are going to watch it and support me. Let it not look like the only videos that has the highest views are the ones that I'm just driving or going to some places. Okay, that is all I need from you guys for now. I am not deviating from my niche. No, just that sometimes, you know, I can get weak, or I can have other things to do, and I might not have the time to film. So I would appreciate if you could just sit down and watch those ones too. They are interesting too. If you watch them, you will see that they are interesting. Okay, you will enjoy watching me, or you will enjoy every topic that I have, because I don't think I can have a boring topic. No, it's not possible. So please, I am begging, biko kan na yon own. If I post those ones, watch them to support me too. So I didn't do much here. I just drove straight to this junction. They called it Fighter Junction. I remember the name because I went there last week. I just got here and turned back. Okay. If you're new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. Okay. Do not forget to hit the like button and share too. Okay. Bye till I see you guys again. Bye.